Hello everyone, how are you all? Have you ever tried drawing something three-dimensional or designing something three-dimensional on a piece of paper? Then you know how difficult that is. Well, I have a solution for you. This is Autodesk Fusion 360. Now Fusion 360 is a powerful three-dimensional modeling software that you can use to enhance your projects. You can draw, create, assemble three-dimensional models in three-dimensional virtual space. And the best part is, you can download it now for free. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can download Fusion 360. So let's get into the video. Open your web browser. Type Autodesk Fusion 360 download. Select the free software for students and educators link. Now if you already have an account, you can sign in, or else you can create a new account. Now select the country of your educational institution and then select in which status you are in. If you are a student, you can select student. Now you have to fill in your date of birth, and press next after that. Now you have to enter your name, your email ID, confirm your email ID, enter your password, make sure it's a strong password, hit I agree and create account. Now you can see that this verification is required, so you have to go to your mail and verify the account. Go to your mail and hit verify email. Wait for the verification to be done. Now you have to type in the name of your educational institution. So you can go ahead and type in the name of your college. So once you've done that, you can select the area of your study. If it's not in the list, click others. Select the month of enrollment and year of enrollment in college. Also select the month of graduation and year of graduation from the list. Once that's done, hit next. In the Autodesk website, go and click get access. Now you click here for downloading. You can see the Fusion 360 file is being downloaded. Click on the file and click open. Now you can see the Fusion 360 is setting up. Now this may take a while for setting up. And we are done. So this is the Autodesk Fusion 360 window. Now you have to type in your email with which you have registered earlier. Then you have to type in your password and sign in. The Autodesk Fusion 360 window opens up. Now here you can enter a name for a team. Once you're given that, click start. And Fusion 360 is ready for operation. So this is the main workspace where you can create your components, and this is the virtual 3D space. And this is how you install Autodesk Fusion 360. If you really like the video, give us a thumbs up and share the video. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, go and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that next time when we upload a video, you won't miss a thing. So I'll be seeing you in the next video.